Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Realtek audio not working on Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the start menu as you from here, and then you need to search for device manager. You need to click on it, and now from here you need to search for sound, video and game controllers as you from here. So from here you need to open it, and you'll see all the sound drivers as you from here. So here's the Realtek audio. You need to just right click on it and you need to update this driver. So click on update, and now from here you need to click on search automatically for drivers. So if this didn't find any update, and it will tell you that the latest version is already installed, and to make sure you need to open the web browser and search for Realtek audio drivers for your laptop. So if you have an Asus laptop, you need to search the drivers for your own laptop and for the exact laptop model. As see from here, you can search it like that, and you will find the drivers from here. You can just click on it, and now you can just search the drivers from here. So after you find the audio driver like this one, you can just click on download, and now it will start downloading and you can just install it on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.